How is it going? My name is Dominic and you're watching your favorite channel Tech Killer. This is the Apple store here, and today we are about to unbox iPhone 14 Plus, and we are doing some of this experiment here. As you can see, we have placed Google Pixel 7 mobile, and top of that we are putting this iPhone, any iPhone, and just placing there. As you can see, the mobile is getting charged. So whenever in emergency you can do this procedure. This is wireless charging iPhone. So we are about to unbox 14 Plus iPhone here. So this is it. So this is me unboxing iPhone 14 Plus. We are actually so much excited to open this. As you can see, finally the iPhone 14. It looks like this. Oh yeah. And this is the final look of iPhone 14 Plus. Just switching on this phone. The look is pretty good. In the box we have a charger, SIM ejector tool we have here, and we have this charger. As I'm showing you the phone, the complete look of the phone 14 Plus. This is the new series of 14 Plus. In the box it looks like this. It's a very thick box, and we are about to set up this mobile. Quickly we are setting. We're just doing it till the last. Quickly unboxing and doing all these procedures, setting this mobile here. If you're first time you're using iPhone, so you can do this procedure how we are showing. Just quickly set up, you can just pause it if you are missing any of this procedures. Click on next, continue, and you can see finally this is setup is done. And I'm just showing you top left side. This is SIM ejector and volume rockers, and the silent option, which is my favorite. On top of the phone there's nothing here. This is a switch on and switch off button here, and back side of this iPhone with this beautiful color. This is a complete look, guys. Looks amazing. As I opened this mobile and I was just seeing, I would just scroll down, there was no screen recording options. I just set up that immediately because I wanted that immediately. So just go to settings and click on control, and just click, you can come below, and as you can see there's an option here, screen recording. Just click on that, and this you can just scroll down. This option is already been available here now. So this has been done. That's all for this video, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Looking forward for your support. Please like, comment, share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you. I'll see you in another video, guys. Keep supporting. Thank you.